Welcome to the first CMS broadcast of this year.
My name is Micah and this is Abby, and we're the first of many people doing this year's broadcast.
Today's lunch is pretzel with cheese, and tomorrow we are having hamburgers. Thanksgiving is in 8 days. Ready for the character of the week? Drum roll, please. The character of the week is Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas.
The joke of the week is, what's a vampire's favorite fruit?
I don't know. What?
A nectarine!
That's a good one. Activity day is going to be tomorrow. Remember, you have to get 16 stamps to participate. If you don't, then you have to go to the opportunity room for the activity.
Today there will be vision screening at 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. We do not have school next week because it is Thanksgiving break. Yes! Yes!
Today, the girls' basketball team has a home game after school. Be sure to show your support and be there. If you plan on going, be sure to get a note from the office.
Obama will have a meeting before school in Mrs. Bauch's room at 7:30.
Be sure to bring in items for your advisory basket. Bingo night at the middle school will be on Tuesday, December 3rd at 6 p.m. at Colton Middle School.
It is not too late to sign up for the March 2027 East Coast trip. If you would like to take advantage for the $100 early enrollment discount, please register by November 30th. After that date, the trip will remain open until all spots are filled.
Ms. Collins is also organizing a few fundraisers for those attending the trip. Students and volunteers will be gift wrapping for their first fundraiser. This will take place next month. Of course, you have to attend and help with the fundraiser to benefit from the fundraiser. If you have any questions, please contact Ms. Collins.
Finally, tomorrow is Viking Thursday. Be sure to show your Viking spirit and wear your green and gold. Bye.